How Ireland makes money as Europe's hidden hub for tech services and data centers. Welcome to Facts USA and World. Today we'll uncover how a small country with no oil, no car factories, and no massive industries quietly became one of the richest digital economies in the world by storing and managing the data of an entire continent. This is Ireland, the hidden digital hub of Europe, where Google, Meta, Apple, and Amazon run their European empires. 1. A small country, a giant server. Ireland has just 5 million people, yet it hosts over 30% of all data centers in Europe. Every day, Ireland's servers handle Google search queries, Instagram and Facebook videos, Apple iCloud files, and services from Microsoft and Amazon Web Services. In simple terms, half of Europe's internet runs through Ireland. 2. Why Ireland? Ireland's success is no accident. It's the result of decades of smart strategy. Low taxes, a corporate tax rate of 12.5%, the lowest among developed European economies, made Ireland a magnet for global tech giants. Language and culture. English-speaking, with legal and business systems close to the UK and US. Perfect for American multinationals. Political stability. As an EU member with pro-business policies, Ireland offers US companies access to the European market, with an American-style business environment. 3. Who came to Ireland? In the 1990s, Ireland launched its Celtic Tiger program, cutting taxes, building tech parks, and investing in education. The result was a digital gold rush. Today, Ireland hosts the European headquarters of Google, Dublin, Meta, Facebook, Apple, Cork, Microsoft, Dublin, Amazon Web Services, AWS, TikTok, PayPal, Twitter, Oracle. More than 1,000 tech companies run their European operations from here. 4. Data centers, the heart of digital Ireland. Every day, Ireland's data centers process exabytes of information. Videos, messages, files, payments, and cloud storage. There are now over 85 major data centers, with dozens more under construction. Google runs a massive campus near Dublin. Amazon has a nationwide network of energy-efficient centers. And Microsoft is building a green cluster cooled by Atlantic air. 5. How much money it brings. According to IDA Ireland, the National Investment Agency, the tech and digital sector contributes over $50 billion annually, while data centers alone generate around $5 billion in taxes, energy payments, and local jobs. Over 170,000 people work in Ireland's IT sector, making it the single largest contributor to GDP. Simply put, Ireland earns more from digital services than from all its traditional industries combined. 6. The knowledge economy. Ireland realized early that the real wealth of the 21st century is knowledge and data. So it invested billions into education, training generations of engineers, programmers, and cybersecurity experts. Now Ireland exports IT expertise instead of goods, providing technical support, financial services, and AI research for companies across the globe. 7. Green energy for a digital world. Data centers consume enormous amounts of power, so Ireland became a leader in renewable energy solutions. Over 70% of the electricity powering its data centers comes from wind farms along the Atlantic. New facilities are being designed as carbon neutral, using ocean air cooling and waste heat recycling. This not only saves money, and it makes Ireland a model for sustainable digital infrastructure. 8. Building the infrastructure of the future. Ireland continues to expand its digital backbone, with high-speed fiber optics and undersea cables connecting it to the US and Europe. Examples include AE Connect and Emerald Networks, linking New York to Dublin. Celtics Connect, connecting Ireland to the UK. Thanks to these connections, Ireland acts as Europe's digital gateway, the point where American internet traffic enters the continent. 9. How Ireland profits. The Irish government earns revenue from several sources. Corporate taxes from tech giants like Google and Apple. Payroll taxes from tens of thousands of high-paying IT jobs. Energy and infrastructure fees from data centers. Real estate development for new tech campuses. Every new data center represents hundreds of millions in private investment and decades of steady tax income. 10. The challenges of digital success. But there's a downside to rapid digital growth. Data centers already consume up to 20% of Ireland's electricity, putting pressure on the grid, and most profits go to foreign companies. About 90% of IT revenue is generated by international corporations, not locals. In response, the government launched Digital Ireland 2030, a plan to boost local startups, expand renewable energy, and strengthen Ireland's homegrown innovation ecosystem. 11. In simple terms, Ireland doesn't make money from oil or factories. It makes money from data and servers. It sells not products, but storage, connectivity, and technology. Every Google search, every Instagram scroll, every iCloud backup, might be running through an Irish data center right now. This is a digital economy, where money flows not through pipelines, but through cables. Conclusion. While other nations debate how to build factories, Ireland built factories of the internet. Data centers where the raw material is information. It turned its geography into an economic advantage and became Europe's digital server room. Because in the 21st century, the richest countries aren't the ones that extract resources, but the ones that store information.